Hello once again, everybody. It is now 2:55 and 12 seconds on September 24th. This is the drawing for the Spider-Man 101 that's 0.5 graded because the top is cut off. That's what they used to do at the newsstand with any unread magazine, which a comic book was considered a periodical, or any unread newspaper. They would cut the tops off, send them back to the publisher for some sort of a partial refund. So whenever you see a comic book with the top cut off, that's what happened. And now with the grading policy, any incomplete book is going to come back as a 0.5, and that's what happened here. It's a shame because the rest of the book looks really nice, and the 102 is, a really nice copy. But here we go. Number is 14. Best of luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and this is the final one. 14, spot 1, Chris Lamastra closed it out, gets the books. Congratulations. Time is 2:56.